Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to read Robinhood candlestick charts. Candlestick charts are one of the most popular tools used in technical analysis. They help traders understand how a stock's price moves over time by showing the opening price, closing price, highest price, and lowest price for each time period. Many traders use candlestick charts to identify trends, possible reversals, and potential buying or selling opportunities. Keep in mind that candlestick patterns do not guarantee future price movements. They are simply tools that should be used alongside other forms of analysis. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Then search for the stock you want to analyze. Open the stock's details page. If available, switch the chart view to candlestick. Each candlestick represents the price movement during a specific time period. The main rectangular section is called the real body. It shows the difference between the opening price and the closing price. A green candlestick means the stock closed higher than it opened, indicating the price increased during that period. A red candlestick means the stock closed lower than it opened, indicating the price decreased. The thin lines above and below the body are called the wicks or shadows. The upper wick shows the highest price reached during that time period. The lower wick shows the lowest price reached. Long bodies usually indicate stronger buying or selling activity, while short bodies may suggest that the market moved very little. Long upper or lower wicks can show that buyers or sellers pushed the price in one direction before it moved back. You can also change the chart's time frame to view price action over different periods, such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or longer. As you study the chart, you may notice candlestick patterns forming. Some traders look for patterns that may signal a continuation of the current trend, while others look for patterns that may suggest a possible reversal. Instead of relying on a single candlestick, compare several candles together and combine them with trading volume, trend lines, moving averages, support levels, and resistance levels to make more informed decisions. Remember that no candlestick pattern is accurate every time, so always manage your risk before placing a trade. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.